those of you who are new to this type of painting, just try to relax into it. I would recommend, if you're going to be doing this, have a look at the video and then have a go, but don't have a go with one canvas, have a go with two. And if you bring one painting up and it looks really, really good, you're probably going to feel, well, don't want to mess it up. So if you have another painting on the go of the same study, you will feel less precious about it. Ease the pressure by doing more than one painting.